Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track Repair, and you saw Einstein walking past me a little while ago. This unit is from Paul in Seacliff, New York. It's a really nice little Clarion unit. I love these little compact designs. It's just a standalone 8-track made by Clarion, and we're here. It's in here for some very minor repair, and so let's go ahead and stick a tape in here and make sure it works. Let's turn this stuff off. I don't think we need this. Alright, look at our speaker outputs. Make sure we got them both left and right speakers. All the way left, all the way right, left, center. Alrighty. I'm gonna change tracks a bunch of times. That might be a little loud. Okay, we're at the end of a song there, so crank up the volume, make sure we're properly adjusted. Okay, no. Okay, we're at the end of a song here. Alrighty. Well, that takes care of it. There's not much to test on this type of unit. Just make sure it plays and changes tracks and the volume and tone controls work. And so we've proven all that. And so I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for paying, repair, or conversion work only. Don't call me asking for parts or how to hook up that $5 yard sale fine that you don't want to put any money into. My number is 928-533-9666. I do ask all customers to visit my website first before calling me, because my website has all my prices, all my options, all that stuff, a lot of safety precautions that I'm not going to remember during a rush phone call. It's necessary to visit my website before calling me. I'm happy to talk to you, but please get my prices and options and kind of know what I'm about before calling me. Don't hit me with, what all do you do? I'm not going to answer that. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Paul, for your business clear from Seacliff, New York, and we'll see you guys next time.